Good morning. In this presentation, we are going to see how we can trade in MCX crude oil today. Before looking into that, let us see what happened yesterday and what we expected yesterday. And since we had not posted any video presentation yesterday, but we had supported you with some chart support. So please, we request you, whenever we are not posting any videos, go to our blog website and you can see we would have supported you with a few chart materials to identify your trend. So that is how we work. So please don't look into the YouTube channel alone. You should go back to our website, blog website, online commodity trading mcx.com, and you can see that surely we would have provided you some support for the day. So now let us see what we expected yesterday. But we all know that we were targeting this major zone of 4,920. Even though that is the biggest fall, we were clearly targeting the zone of 4,920. So on you can see on 25th the market came down and tested the zone. As we know that we are good in picking a good zone which can possibly provide you a good buying momentum. So what happened in the latest session, after the price entering the zone, you see the price action, then you should decide whether this 4,920 is going to be a perfect or not. So after entering here, you can see a bounce back, and again you see a pattern, and you can see that the market clearly went higher and closed above 4,940. This is the previous day's price closing, and you can see the market, yesterday's crude market opened just above that, which is around 4,950, and just it went up. So we can call it as a spiked up opening, because after the price opening you can see the price moving higher. So when only a very few seconds, or probably in microseconds, the market would have been staying in this zone. It's quite difficult for us to trade, so we go with the LTP price, what we are seeing after 10 o'clock. So what we expected is that still we expected that this 4,920 is going to be a very major potential zone for deciding the trend in crude oil. So it is basically how we do this is that we use our experience in trading crude market, because we see the dollar value also. So we have some calculation, we go with the market in quite a, we can say that it is quite a long term or it is a short term, but we say it is a trading. So where the market moves based upon, so that is the major reason. If we go back and see the Tuesday's presentation, I would have clearly mentioned the market, we are expecting the market to break $87.6. Only if the market is staying below $87.6, crude can reverse its trend. If it is staying above $87.6, there are a lot of chances that the market can give a bounce back. So that is the major reason behind the deciding. And also we had clearly mentioned this $87.6 is equivalent to 4,920. So to that extent we had explained it clearly to make you clearly understand how we correlate the international price and the MCX price. So that is if you want to know that in depth, please contact us and we are ready to help you and guide you and make you a professional trader. So what happened after the price opening is that we were expecting the market to move higher, and also we had clearly mentioned in the chart support that this 4,960, if you expect the price to stay above that, this 4,060 should be a good support. If the price fails to break this 4,060, and if the price fails to stay above 4,960, then there are possibilities that this can act as a resistance. Again the price will be pushed down to 4,920. So it is going to be a great struggle and fight between the support and resistance. If the long term trend is going to be on buying, the market should take a support around, then clear that. So this is the price action. On seeing where the price is moving, we can clearly say how the market will behave based upon price actions. That is the major reason we always say that price is everything. So try to understand the price action, then everything is going to be smooth for you while trading. So after moving higher, the 4,920 should provide some good support. See, after the moving higher, the market came down and tested this 4,960. Now it is a testing time for the market. So long the market is consolidating. So that is the major reason why we always see a consolidation. It is not that the market is relaxing there when the market is consolidating, if it is moving sideways, because it is struggling for trend. So surely after the consolidation you can expect a breakout or breakdown So what happened is that this 4960 provided a clear support to push the market till 5020. So we also know that this is a major zone, and you can see this provided a resistance initially, and then the market really put some clear effort to put something above 5020, but you can see the market is really struggling to stay above 5020. So in the later session the market came down near 4980, and it formed a support around the zone and closed around 4996. So this is the price closing. So on seeing the entire price action, we can clearly say that the market is very strong in buying. So yesterday's market was strong in buying, there is no doubt. So right from the price opening, the market maintained a trend, but it is finding a strong resistance around 5020. That is the point we should note it very clearly. The market is struggling around 5020. So it is going to be, again, what we can expect is that today we are expecting a more or less equal or just above price opening. So that is the price opening what we are expecting in crude market, which means that again the same strategy we are going to follow. Hold on to this 4920. If you suspect that the price is taking a resistance here, or again if the price is coming down and taking a resistance here, and if you are very conservative, just wait for the market to hit this zone. Once we get a closing below or below this zone, then we can reverse our view about selling. Till then we are not going to reverse our view about selling, because we are seeing this crude market for long here. So this is how the crude will behave. What we can expect today is that the zones to watch is 5020, 4960 should provide a real support for crude market in order to sustain its buying trend. And if the price is coming below this zone 4960 and 4920, it is going to be a very difficult task, because there should be a lot of support. We need some good support from 4920 to push the market again higher up. So now the market will, after the price entering into the zone, it is going to be a good consolidation. But what we strongly believe is that the market, on seeing the price actions, the market can move higher. That is what we are expecting. And also around 6 o'clock you have the advanced GDP report that can give you a good price direction also. Let us see what's going to happen today during the trading session. And thanks a lot for all your support in watching our videos. Take care. Happy trading. Bye.